Hello and welcome to Code Byte Academy. Here on this video, we are going to start how to use formulas in Excel. As you know that Excel is a tool which we can use to all types of office works and all, so that we need to understand that how to deal with Excel and how to use the formulas here, so that it is recommended to everyone. Just go through this video and try to understand what is going on. So let's start with this. So the basics is doing math with Excel. You can add, subtract, multiply and divide in Excel without using any built-in functions. You just need to use some basics operators, that is plus, minus, into and slash. All formats started with the equal sign. So always remember that whenever you want to do anything, we need to start with an equal to sign. Without the equal to sign, no formula will work. So to add, select cell F3, type equal to C3 plus C4, then press enter. So to subtract, select cell F4, C. You can do these things by using this. Addition, the numbers to use 1 and numbers to use 2. So if we want to add, so let see 25, number to use 25, and we need to add say 56. Now you can find out that the formulas, what are the formulas are there. You can find the formulas here. This is the formula bar. It should be shows like C3 plus C4. The values of C3 and the values of C4 are added here, and by which we can get the results of these things. See, whenever I'm just click over there, so the values are changed. So how to do that thing? You need to give the equal to sign, then this C3 plus C4 and press enter. So it will just give the answer 81. Okay, so now for the subtractions, we need to do what? We need to do the subtractions. It should be minus 31. Now see the exact formula in the address bar. You can find in the formula bar, you can find that equal to C3 minus C4. In case of multiplications, it is C3 into C4, and in case of divisions, it is C3 divided by C4. And in case of power, that means if we want to get to the power, so 25 to the power 56, it is an infinite term. So check this out, change the numbers here and watch the formula results automatically change. See, if I just give 2 here and after that we just give 3 here, so it will return 8 here. 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So this is the process by which you can understand that how to deal with the formulas. Now these are the simple formulas where we're just using addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions and power. So you can raise a value to a power by using the caret symbol, like C3 to the power C4. Enter it with the shift plus 6. We can use raise the value, so it is not needed. So these are the things we need to these are the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions and with power. So now I'm going to type down for more details, more about formulas if you want to know. So Excel is made up of individual cells that are grouped into rows and columns. Rows are numbered and columns are lettered. There are over 1 million rows and 16,000 columns, and you can put formulas in any of them. So formulas can contain all reference ranges of all references, operators and constants. The following are the examples of formulas. As you know that A1 plus B1 equal to 10 into 20, sum A1 colon A10 is also can be done. Cell reference is A and the operator is 1 plus B. That is the cell reference equal to 10 into 2, the constant, and it should be constant if you want to get the sum of that. So you will notice that in our third examples above, we have used sum functions. Here you can use the sum functions. Functions is a pre-built command that takes values of values and calculates them in a certain way and return a result. For instance, the sum functions takes the cell reference or ranges you specify and totals them. In these examples, it takes cells A1 through A10 and totals them. Excel has over 400 functions, which one you can explore on the formulas tab. You can find the formulas tab here. here is the formulas tab, and you can find lots of lots of formulas over there. So formulas with functions start with equal signs, and then the function's name follows with the arguments. Live values functions use the calculate wrapped in the parenthesis. Write down equal to sum. This is the argument a1 colon a10. That is the range of value we are using here. So we can use argument like this. Sum of two different ranges are also there, so we can use a1 colon a10 and c1 colon c10. So for better understanding, we're just going to start another Excel file here, and I think that will be helpful for you people. If you just go to the book one, no, not in book one, it should be book two. Just deleting this one. Okay, so now you can find out that it's just using control. I'm just increasing the value. See, the value of b2, you can find b2 is here, value of b is b2, value of b3 is 656. So value of it's again 54, 52, 86, 96, 75, 85. Okay, so all these things are in the range of between b2 and b9. So if you want to get the sum of those things, so you need to write down sum. Then first bracket, then give the number 1, this one, then colon, and select this one, and after that close the parenthesis and enter. So this is the process by which you can find out the sum of a range. Now if you want to get the values of different two other sums, so two different sums, if you want to get that thing, 65, 45, 25, 68, 69, 57, and 58. Okay, so if you want to get that thing now, so you can also use this one, comma, and this colon, this, and it can be, you can enter here also. Sorry, we can enter here also. So you can find out the addition of two different ranges, that is b2 colon b9 and a2 colon it can be a9 also. It can be a9. Okay, so you can find this one. So this is the process by which you can use two different types of ranges also to find out the sum. Okay, so now go into the next slide here. So for more informations, use Excel as calculator, overview of formulas in Excel. So we'll go over there after some time. So now go to the next chapter. So introduction to functions. Functions give you the ability to do variety of things like perform mathematical operations, look up values, or even calculate dates and times. Let's try to a few way to use the sum functions. You can see that by using the sum functions, you can just practice these things. See apples 50 and all. So for practicing this one, now let's try auto sum. Select the yellow cell under the column format cell G7, then go to the formulas, then auto sum, then select sum. So this is the process. You already understand that the by writing the formulas in the formula bar, you can sum up the values. Now you can use the auto sum options. Auto sum option is also here. You can find the auto sum here. Alt plus equal to is also the shortcut keys. So you just need to select this one for mid cell G7, then go to formulas, auto sum, and select sums. You will see Excel automatically enter the formula for you. Press enter to confirm it. Now we need to go to the G7. So this is the G7. This is the G7. Now we go to the formulas. Then we need to go to the auto sum. Click on that. Excel automatically give the functions here and press enter to get the value. So this is also a process by which you can get the sum. Now here the neat keyboard shortcut, select cell D15, that means this one, D15, and then press alt, then enter, then press alt equal to, then enter. This automatically sum off. So alt equal to. So this is the process by which you can find out extra. The try to count the functions using any of the methods you have already tried. The count functions counts the number of cells in a range that contains number. So if you just go over there and more about functions. If you go to the more about functions, so go to the formulas tab and browse through the function library where functions are listed by category like text, date and time, etc. Insert functions will let you search for functions by name and launch a functions wizard that can help you build your formulas. So when you start typing a function's name, after you press equal to, Excel will launch intelligence, which will list all the functions starting with the letters you type. When you find the one you want, press the tab and the Excel will automatically finish the function names and enter the opening parentheses for you. It will also display the optional and required arguments. So these are the very nice facilities are given by the Excel, so that you can understand that how to use, so that the user interface is getting more easier for everyone, so that they can use the functions very efficiently. So these are the process. So this is the first ever function sum, and I'm just closing this video here, and after that I'm coming with lots more things. Thanks a lot for watching this thing, and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Okay, thank you.